In this video I'm going to show you how to delete an email account from your mail app on your device. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your settings and here scroll down until you find Mail. Select that and there tap on Accounts. Here on that screen select the account you wish to remove. I'll select Gmail account. Here I see that account email and that mail, contacts and calendars are now synced with that account. If I will delete that account, all this data will be lost. So I tap on delete account and confirm that action. And now Gmail account was deleted from my mail app on my iPhone. That's how it works, and I hope it was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.